Every day, millions of people visit social media platforms like Reddit. Some of the information they find there is accurate, but some is misleading or false. Research shows that correcting misleading or false information is effective, but there just aren't enough correctors out there. That got us wondering how effective AI chatbots might be in offering corrections of false information compared with corrections made by social media users. In this study, we focused on misinformation related to the HPV vaccine, a safe and effective vaccine that prevents more than 90% of cancers caused by HPV. One common false claim suggests that HPV vaccines can cause autoimmune diseases, like MS, despite clear evidence disproving this. To test the effectiveness of different sources correcting this false claim, we conducted an online survey experiment involving 1,576 parents from across the United States. Participants were randomly assigned to one of three experimental conditions. The first group was our control group, which didn't see any misinformation or corrections. The second group saw the misinformation claim, followed immediately by a factual correction provided by an AI-powered bot. The third group saw the same correction, but it came from a human social media user instead. After participants viewed their assigned scenarios, we asked them to rate the veracity of the false claim and their general attitudes toward the HPV vaccine. The results revealed some intriguing insights. Participants who saw corrections from the AI-powered bot showed improved accuracy in recognizing that the false claim was false, compared to those who saw no correction at all. In other words, the bot successfully reduced people's acceptance of false information about the HPV vaccine. Interestingly, however, corrections provided by human users did not significantly increase belief accuracy compared to the control group, suggesting that the bot correction was notably more effective in this scenario. What might explain these findings? One potential explanation for why bot corrections were more effective might relate to the topic of the false claim. Vaccine misinformation is particularly resistant to correction, as people often hold strong pre-existing beliefs about vaccines. Another possibility involves the experimental design itself. In our simulation, posts had no social interaction cues, such as upvotes or downvotes. Participants might have found human corrections less credible in this artificial scenario, while bots maintained a neutral credibility. In any case, AI-powered bots can play an effective role in helping people reject false claims online. Yet deeper attitudes toward complex topics like vaccination remain harder to shift.